Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Tech. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to manage software on your Nintendo Switch, and this will be your games. So you can archive them, free up some space, or you can delete them, or you can check for corruption or something like that for game files. So we can go to System Settings right here, then scroll on down to Data Management, and then go to the right. So we have options like Move Data, Archive, or we can go to Manage Software. Select this. Then we can choose the game under here. So we can see Paladins, Rocket League. So let's do a game. Let's go to this game right here, Brawlhalla. Select A on it, and you can prevent auto archiving. We can go to Archive Software. We can delete the software. Otherwise, we can check for corruption. Then we can see the system memory right here, free space, and the microSD card if we have one installed, software, and then update data. That's how much the game is actually taking up. So go ahead and do whatever you want under here, but you should be good to go now. Hopefully this video helped you out. Did leave it a big thumbs up, and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your Six Tech.